Today I'm making my favorite tomato soup recipe. Here are the ingredients you need: tomatoes, onions, garlic, olive oil, and my secret ingredient, which I will reveal later. Mince the onions and the garlic. Place your pot on the burner and turn the heat to medium to high heat. Add olive oil and the onions. Let them sweat for a couple of minutes. Add salt and freshly ground pepper. While the onions are sweating, cut up your tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes only need to be cut in half. I cut the bigger ones in several smaller pieces. Add the garlic to the onions and make sure they don't burn. They only need a couple of seconds to sweat a little bit. Add quickly your tomatoes, stir, and add the lid. After 5 minutes or so, stir again until you see the tomatoes released enough water to cover the bottom of the pot. Add the lid and let the tomatoes simmer for about an hour. Take a fine mash strainer, put it on top of a large bowl, strain the tomatoes, and press the flesh through the strainer. Clean the bottom of the strainer with a wooden spoon from time to time. Then add my secret ingredient, peppermint. Add as much as you like. I used dried peppermint, which I harvested from my peppermint plant last year. Crumble it a bit in your hand to have smaller pieces. Stir the soup. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Let me know if you like this recipe, give the video a like, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. Take care.